Hi, I'm Alexandra, a psychic spiritual counselor, and welcome to Alexandra's Psychic Eye. Healing encompasses all parts, not just the physical body. Because of stress, obsessive fearful thoughts, and anger, our health can be compromised. It's important to create a balance and a oneness with the mind, body, and spirit, thereby nurturing our entire person. Adding daily meditation, positive mental imagery, creating a sacred space in the home for taking a personal time out each day can mend and build our spiritual makeup and strengthen the body as well. Stay with us to find ways to gain a stronger new you for the new year. Don't go away. In 1979, master healer Ken Kobayashi opened his office in Manhattan, specializing in teaching how to cure sickness and uncomfortable daily imbalances while encouraging self-healing. Ken has been a successful healing professional for over 50 years, specializing in methods that treat both the causes and the symptoms of an illness. And welcome, Ken, to our show.
Hi.
We're so happy to
Great.
have you here.
I'm happy
What
too.
a pleasure. Now, what was it in your life that compelled you to go into the work that you're doing?
Well, the people, actually, first of all, I don't like sickness. I don't want to see people's sickness. That's my first concern. And then, mostly we do, doctor or any hospital do stop the symptom and the control the symptom, which is, feel like recover, but actually not really recover. We plan to recover, but not to really, not the cure yet. That's why I decided.
They medicate it, but they don't really get to the root of it.
Yeah, that's right, yeah.
Exactly.
Yeah, that's why I decided I tried to find out what's the causes and the symptom. And I want to take care about causes and symptom same time.
So you get to the root
Yes.
of what's really the problem,
Yes.
as well as treating the symptoms.
Yes.
Now, there are many different belief structures out there regarding how we heal our body. For example, Christian Science.
Yes.
For instance, they believe that the mind, along with prayer, can be used to heal any physical illness. What are your beliefs regarding illness?
Oh, yes.
What do you feel?
I feel many, many ways, we can find it. But mostly sickness, mostly 75% come from spirits or consciousness. That's why if people mess the mind or not consciousness enough, everything going to be out of balance. That's why I tell them, why don't you concentrate your beauty? Because your beauty, only you have it. And you keeping your beauty, true power coming out, the power, but they're going to believe, people believe, they're not going to mess up. That's why, and then also same time we have we say homeostasis, natural own healing power, we have it. We're born for that. That one is if being yourself, the power build up more, come back to the healing power.
So you're empowering them and you're making them recognize
Yep.
that they have all this power inside of them that they're holding back.
Yes.
Even just holding it back could be making them ill.
Yes. Yes.
Now, I know just before the show, I had a little headache, and you did some
Yeah, a little massage.
massage, neck and head and
Yeah.
hand, and I feel like I took like 20 pounds of Valium right now,
Right.
so I could tell you it was really
Yeah.
good. Now, what I'd like to know about is your philosophical approach to healing the body. What do you do exactly? What's your way of healing the body?
Yeah, okay.
What's your philosophy on it?
My philosophy is balances. Because,
Balances.
because human being, we have three dimensions. Spiritual foundation, physical foundation, also between we need a bridge, we call consciousness. Three dimension, harmony well, working together well, and then we are okay. And then because always we expected to come back our own healing power. You know, that's why without this, we can't even a minute we can survive. And so we try to, especially try to mind, for example, we seeding every day. What do you do? If you wrong against your mind, putting the seed in, the flower you think about the blooming later, you think about white, might be black flowers show up. Black, nothing meaning bad, you know, just you never think about.
Right.
You know, that's every day, daily basis. If you think well in your mind to do right, what you have to do with the happiness, you know, respectable, you think well, being yourself, and the right to see it in the life, probably, you know, nice flowers are coming up. And you can naturally, at least 75% you could be cured.
Right, so you believe that most of it is in the mind.
Yes.
In fact, 75 to 85% is the mind.
Yes.
So just a
Absolutely.
small part of people's illness is physical.
Yes.
It's all here.
Yep.
They have to think differently.
Yes. Yes.
So how do you get them to think differently to the point where you can heal the body?
Yeah. Okay. I see the patient. I see the hair. Hair is belong to kidney. I see the eye, sweet eye. The eye belongs to kidney too. The eye, the window of liver, but the quality belongs to kidney. And the gum, teeth, thyroid, ear, and the sex organ, and also bone, joint, nervous system, all belong to kidney. And the liver control muscle, also stimulation, circulation, metabolism. If you see the patient, you know, the signs are coming. You know, the shooting, videotape, you know, lights on, pum, 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 that means you are on, you know, recording right now, like that. But they show up the symptom, you know, and then symptoms see it, and then we see what's the causes. Because causes we can't see, but we can see the symptom.
Exactly.
And then I talk the mind, you know, why you make this? For the pause. You know, and then what they're going to tell me, well, my kidney is a little bit not clean enough. My blood is thick, like a chocolate. That goes to the brain. Brain nerve is 100 times thinner than my hair. That's stuck there. That's all stuck there. My memory brain going to be sleeping, going to be Alzheimer, and the break it, blood coming out. We're gonna be stroke, like that. That's I can see through the body. But
Wow,
most
amazing.
important thing is that they show up already, but nobody pay attention enough.
Right.
Yeah, that's the point. That's why we need a spiritual person. Spiritual person, sit down, quality, see the people, they show up like a rainbow
Yes.
coming out from your body.
Yes.
If black color coming out, no good. You know, better, you know, green, blue, pink, you know, like that. That's human being body.
They have to want this.
Yeah.
They have to believe in spirituality.
Yeah.
They have to be open and
Yeah.
understand this
Yeah.
is where it's all going.
Yeah.
You're watching Alexandra's Psychic Eye, and I'm Alexandra, Psychic Spiritual Counselor and Guide. Our guest today is Master Healer, Ken Kobayashi, and we're discussing the topic of healing. If you have any questions about today's topic, please give me a call, Alexandra, at 718-983-8443. Now, I've mentioned on past episodes that I personally went through a powerful healing experience
Wow.
of my own with multiple sclerosis.
Oh.
Yes, I had lost my eyesight. I was crippled. I couldn't feed myself, so I would put these telephone books up here just to sort of
Hard
get
to
the
believe you look good.
Thank you. Well, thanks to my Master Healer teacher.
Oh, great.
He did quite a job.
I think so.
Oh my God.